basically, we're delighted to be both a finalist and a sponsor of the event. What it means to me personally, I would say, is somebody that spends every day essentially talking to fleet managers and fleet directors facing these challenges. It gives us an open forum to really explore those and understand what we can do as a leading operator within that space. As somebody who spends my working life interacting with drivers, operators of fleets, large and complex generally, we're able to explore the complex challenges that they face. So these can include things like tachograph management, ensuring that vehicles are returned back to the depot safely after every day. Driver safety, of course, is a very poignant topic in this space. And I think that's where Geotab is well positioned to be at events like this. I'd say this is the part I'm most excited about. So innovation, I think, is about taking the challenges that the sector faces and, of course, innovating solutions to meet those challenges. And we've seen a huge change in pace of innovation, I would say, in the telematics world over the last few years. Most notably, things like cameras now becoming more and more of a requirement. Underpinning all of this, I would say, are things like driver safety, of course, utilising the vehicles to their fullest extent, whether they be combustion engine, but also battery electric vehicles. And then other sort of more peripheral benefits, such as fleet optimization. So understanding if you have too many vehicles, perhaps to service your needs, or similarly too fewer vehicles, and therefore you're able to make those informed decisions off the back of hard data, essentially. Well, I would say the numbers are really kind of speaking for themselves. So we've seen a 78% reduction in traffic incidents and 35 million safer miles driven. So the Motor Trader Awards and the CV Show Connect, I think, in bringing together like-minded people essentially that are looking to network and understand what challenges the industry faces. What I've seen at the CV Show this year is very much in the past, we've had a lot of discussions around decarbonisation, what that could and should look like. And it's evolved hugely into what's happening today. So these fleets are actively down that decarbonisation journey. They've often switched vehicle types to favour electric, for example, in turn bringing down those emissions, but equally opening up an entirely new challenge, which is operating fleets with electric vehicles as either some or the whole of their fleet. So I'm really excited about the future of the industry, and I think this event stands as an opportunity to get together with other like-minded folk in the industry, discuss ideas, but most importantly, drive the innovation that we're seeing the customers demand.